Welcome to 3216 Aurelia Lane, located in Heritage at Vizcaya, a 55 and better neighborhood that is conveniently near an HEB, many hospitals, secondary schooling, and so much more. This community has amazing amenities, which we'll get to, but let's chat about this home. If I had to describe this home in one word, I would use the word elegant. And actually, who am I kidding? I need two words: elegant and meticulous. So this home is 2 bedrooms with an office, 2,100 square feet. And while it doesn't have a greenbelt lot, it sure feels very private, like a greenbelt. So let's go take a look. Now, as you entered the property, I'm sure you noticed that you have a straight shot into the backyard, which is beautifully landscaped. But there are some other features that I want to talk about before we head back there. Number one, at the front of the home, you have a guest bedroom and a bathroom. You also have an office poised on the side of the home. And then the garage is a 2-car plus a tandem for extra storage and workspace. Now, in this open floor plan, you will notice that you have expansive windows for plenty of natural light, granite countertops, beautiful 42-inch cabinets, and a Blanco sink. My favorite part is the butler pantry, the perfect space to hide that coffee machine. This backyard features an extended patio that is fully covered and has shades on every side for privacy and sun protection. But the real standout feature here is the landscaping, and you'll notice that you'll get to enjoy this year-round, and it provides a tremendous amount of privacy. Now you'll notice that the primary has a tray ceiling, a bay window, wood floors, and the primary bath has plenty of countertop space and an extended walk-in shower. And here are some additional photos of the home and the amenities you can expect in Heritage at Vizcaya. So if you're 55 and better and looking for your next home, give us a shout so that we can give you a private showing of this impeccable property.